CG, you've seen the pocket rocket in action. You know the pocket rocket's a weak pistol, but you knew the pocket rocket was a good pistol.
Yo, gun cleaning.
Oh, hey, cut!
What?
Got him.
I like how I'm playing a sad game and you guys are just chuckling over there.
Wait, so what is the game about?
Huh?
The Eve Lily something?
The game I'm
Ender
playing?
Lily?
Ender Lily, yeah. What's it about? Or
I don't even know. All I know is like there's some weird plague and I'm here to just smite it as a small little girl.
Boy, you wanna test whose knife's bigger? You wanna test whose knife's bigger?
it's not the same.
Spooky ghost.
That's like bar fight music.
Did I hit you on accident?
Yeah,
Just do it. Just do it.
The priestess. Who the heck's the priestess?
Why don't you just pull out your hands? It's not gonna. I think you hit me with an almost headshot, so I hit you with a shorter shot.
Hey, you with a fucking dude. I hit your arm,
Oh.
Did you hit him
which
well?
is actually
Arm,
which
same
takes less
thing.
damage than your torso. If you took a lot of damage there, you shouldn't have.
What's this?
I only by the bar.
You actually had to bandage. Wait, did you have to heal yourself the first aid?
No, I haven't. Why would I use a... I have one big bar and 4 small
Hold on,
bars.
I gotta wait for my frames to kick back up because my fucking frames are shitting.
You and your frames.
No, it's called me and these stupid fucks who won't stop texting in a damn server. I'm turning off notifications for it now.
Dude, I always
Yeah.
have the server on. The server's like
Wow, that's
always...
actually the reason I was letting my frames is because I kept getting Discord notifications.
Yeah, why do you think, you like... Why do you think I asked, like, what you got open? Discord's like always something that eats up all the crap. Wait, what? Oh.
Oh, please let this fucking bitch be at Scupper. Please let this bitch be at Scupper.
It's never gonna be at Skipper for you.
You don't know how many times that bitch has been at Scupper. Plus, I got a shotgun, so think about that.
I got a gun with no levering.
Oh my god.
You're You'll be fine, CD. Trust me. If I can go with a Lamat without fanning, I think you can go without levering.
I know, but like, no.
Look, we can go kill that meathead and then extract her from here, and you can get the experience to get levering.
Oh my god, that night just took forever.
I think you hear it too, don't you? Wait, that was the. Oh wait, that wasn't.
What, the gnome shot?
1 second. I was hearing sword sound from his stream and thinking it was some player slashing at something.
Why?
That's a player!
Oh. Fuck, I wanted to fucking get this. I got the fucking big band. The fucking bird statue.
Why are you going for the birds?
No, bird statue.
Yeah, I can't wait for the event to be over so I can just like stop hunting for the birds. Yeah, Mega. The only reason why there's so much crows in that game is actually due to the event. Wait, what? Prey.
Crows aren't a fucking problem. It's called you're bad at the game.
No, the reason the event actually increased the crow spawn rate.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, because you actually get points for killing the crows.
Hmm.
Yeah. So the reason why there's crows everywhere is because of the event. On the Blighted one? Oh, on the Blighted Eye? Or is it on the Blighted One? Oh. I get to sit on this little seaty seat. Oh.
CG, you got one thing that going for you that I don't have going for you.
thing.
You don't have to fucking pay money for your weapons anymore. You just bring cheap shit, like I used to do. But you wanna know what I'm bringing for this character?
I still have to pay money for this stuff.
Yeah, but your shit ain't like $100 a gun.
It adds up.
Eh, fair, I guess.
Yo, Mega, have you ever played Little Witch No Better?
Little Wish, what the fuck is that?
Me and my buddies just
Man,
call it Lolly Dark Souls since you play as a little girl.
Oh. Ah,
Yeah, it's really funny because if you run out of
one of those games.
when you run out of stamina, she just trips and falls.
Ah, it's one of those games.
It's actually pretty hard. I still haven't beat the 3rd zone boss.
Bum, 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 bum,
And
bum,
we don't
bum,
want
bum,
to talk about how
bum.
long it took me to beat the 2nd zone boss. It took me 2 whole months because I just never got the tack down. And then I just got lucky one day. Oh, what? He hit me. Oh crap, I fell. I take it you guys are going all sneaky beaky like?
Oh, no. I got 2 Caldwell Paxes and a fucking hand cannon with flame rounds. I don't know what you talking about. Also, I've got the perfect balance between close quarters and long range.
I don't understand how they thought that wasn't like hidden just because it was wood. Like so far this entire game, like if you see wood, you can just fall through. Oh hey, lever. Hey,
So you know how you know how new cars or like modern cars are equipped with or like they come with airbags, right?
Yeah.
Let's be honest, your old cars just came with equipped with a concussion. Like you slam that brake hard, just too hard for 1 split second. Ding. Say goodbye to your nose and your brain.
Just slam the brakes on anything, and it's like you turn that thing into a roller coaster. Bonk. It was like a little slip and slide there for a second. Yo, Mega.
Yeah.
I can make this girl crip walk.
Just were open.
What's so funny?
This guy's like, you see, it's when 2 people love each other very much and they get in bed and they start to beat the shit out of each other.
You ain't wrong. Oh, what the hell was that noise?
Was that game first person?
What?
Andrew, is it first person or something?
No, it's Castlevania-ish.
Oh, okay. Oh, then they would be right up my alley.
Yeah, that's what I
You
was
ever played a
saying.
game called Bloodstain? Ritual of the Night?
I heard mixed stories about that one.
Oh, dude, it's an amazing game.
I had to look it up sometime.
Dude, they literally have a JoJo reference in it.
Are you freaking serious?
I'm not joking. Not just one, but multiple.
Are you serious?
If you hold up on the D-pad for long enough, up on your keyboard or D-pad for long enough, your character will literally do a JoJo pose.
Oh my freaking god! And
You
this one,
think I'm joking?
You're experiencing high ping issues.
I
Yeah,
can fix that.
Apparently.
I can ping you in the back of the head. Ping you in the back of the head.
I could stun my fucking oracle your ass.
take heed.
I'm gonna put the horse down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to all the vegans out there who could give a shit less.
Dude, every time I see a
See, I
horse,
don't
either
got
want a
levering,
horse.
so I'm terrible.
Oh, whoa.
Well, there's a solution to that. It's called don't be bad at the game. Yoink! Okay, wait, yoink! Yoink!
Oh, whoa,
Yo-yo?
that's a big circle.
Come the f on! Man, fuck this shit.
Whoa, you could have warned me there was an emulator there. I almost stabbed him.
Oh no! Run! Run! Run!
Why?
There was two!
I'm gonna just hit him with a patented fuck you combo. I couldn't hit him with 3 hits.
Whoa, I don't like that.
2 hits.
Yo, why is this
You got
boss?
fanning on him.
Yo, this boss is dying too quick.
You got fanning on him. I see how you're holding that pistol.
Oh, I didn't know I had fanning.
Half. Yo, I didn't know I was
What?
playing Bloodborne.
What do you mean?
The boss just went phase 2.
What?
First boss too.
Ah. Pop that up. Are you getting shot at?
I shot a freaking zombie. I don't know why, but I really
Oh,
wanted to say ghost for some reason. I wanted to say ghost for some. I don't know why I wanted to say ghost. That's why I kind of like started there for a second. I was about to say ghost. For some reason, that was me.
Interesting. So throwing a decoy at one of these things will detonate it immediately. Throwing a fucking throwing knife at it doesn't.
Oh, well, that was
Got
out
it.
range.
Aw.
No, I was out
Oh,
range
if
to
I use a
hit.
knife, it's sparks. Nope. Gotcha.
Come deal with him. Come deal with him.
I don't have any stamina on me, so I'll just watch this unfold for a second. So.
Oh, so you can. There's actually a stun mechanic. That's actually kind of cool. Oh, what touch? I don't want to touch it.
My man was getting whacked for a good like 10 seconds, and then you just came in and ended it all. Did we even get the? We didn't even get the clue. Are you recording at the moment? Just quick confirmation.
I am playing a game.
Okay, so you are recording.
I am playing a game.
I'm just asking if you're recording.
I am playing a game.
Okay, so it will be worth mentioning that me and CJ are playing a separate game.
No,
In
no,
case
this
there's
this
any
game
confusion.
is totally a shooter, is it not?
No, it's not. Yo, he's one shot. He's one shot. Oh shit! There's actually gunshots going on.
Oh snap! Yo,
Yes.
the first boss was your sister?
Sweet home.
So the plague was rain. Cool. Well, that's kind of cool because the game's called Ender Lilies, and apparently a character's name is Lily.
Oh yeah, like that. I definitely didn't see that. I thought that was blood or water. What the frick?
The White
Yo,
Priestess
ass
Lily.
down.
Well,
You long-tongued hoe.
Yo, I can get that item at the beginning of the game. Oh snap! I want it.
I'm finna light somebody on fire tonight. I don't use doors.
Why not?
Cause what's the point? Oh my god, that's a thing? CG, watch this shit.
My little ears.
Watch this.
That's what
CG?
happens when
CG,
What?
watch it, watch it, watch it!
I already killed you. Why are you back?
I want the item.
What I was
back.
trying to show you is you can do this. You can slap the door to shut it.
Okay, that was about punch opening. Alright, let
Well,
me
no, you-
introduce this thing to both. So, fanning.
Yeah, just don't aim with it.
Aim with it.
Fanning doesn't work if you're aiming. I think he already read it.
Yeah, fanning doesn't work when you're aiming.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, CG. Look over there. Man.
Man, this
did it.
game has Dark Souls 2. No, not Dark Souls 2. Dark Souls 3 save spawns. Before a boss fight, rest. After a boss fight,
Hey,
rest.
Hive murdered.
Hey, I think I still gotta get hive kills to be honest.
Hey, I got 2 souls.
Yeah, if I can get the hive kills, I can get a random tier 3 rifle.
Yo, I got a little Beyblade now.
Which also includes the aftermath. Yeah, it's easy. I could actually get a fucking free aftermath.
Yeah.
Do you know how little I would use that? I love my pocket pistol. My pretty boy's pocket pistol.
Oh my god.
Oh, well, that's an awkward thing to walk up on.
Hey yo, we can talk about this. We
No,
can talk
no,
about this.
no.
Yeah, we can chill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was kind of a shock to us, don't worry.
Peace. Never mind.
Alright, motherfuckers, we gotta do this the hard way then.
Wait, my bond with the priestess is a personal one?
I killed myself!
Wait, how do you... Huh?
I shot the barrel.
Oh, I wasn't expecting to just...
Walk up and run into a duo.
I don't know if I fired or if I just jumped away in fear. I think I may have...
no. My shotgun hit
trudge
them
on.
and the barrel below me.
Yo,
Welcome
yo.
to Tier 2. What's that achievement?
Basically,
It's the recent Bloodline rank tier 2.
yeah, basically,
Oh, okay.
you can get better perks from your from your characters.
I
You
think
can
you hit level
buy.
35 or something. Or level 40. I think you hit at level 40 you get to it, and then level 80 you get to tier 3. Yeah, you just get better weapons.
Yeah, you get better weapons, better perks now from your recruitments.
If you don't go for free characters like I do.
Yeah, if you get free characters, you're automatically getting trash.
If you get free characters, you're automatically getting random shit.
Gores.
Throwing
Well,
knives.
that's
I've
a
never
basic
used
ass. What, throwing knives? You're never gonna use them?
Probably.
Oh, sweet. Please
They're not
do
bad, I
call
like
on us
them.
when you visit parish. So they were supposed to be the priestess's wagon men. Cool. But now. Beyblade! Ow.
I'm gonna bring a weapon I never thought I'd bring.
And
The
that
worst
is.
weapon in the fucking game. The worst weapon in the fucking game.
And that is.
Crossbow.
How dare you say that to me?
Yeah, fuck your crossbow, dude.
I killed a boss with it.
You're right, and that's all it's damn good for.
I killed a player with it before who was trying to charge me
Okay.
with the Boblands.
Like I said, that's all it's damn good for.
Oh, cool.
Like, I'm sorry, the Derringer's better than that fucking shitty piece of thing. Because at least the Derringer got automatic fire.
The Derringer is stupid. It's not even a weapon.
The Derringer's a weapon. Have you never seen an actual Derringer?
Heh. Derringer's
The
not.
definition of a pretty boy's pocket pistol.
Yeah, but it takes up a tool slot, which could have been useful for any other item in the game.
Yeah, it could have been useful for what? Something that's technically optional, considering the only real the optional necessities would be a first aid kit, a melee weapon, and possibly, if you're really just trying to fucking just do stupid shit, spyglass.
Okay,
Yeah, first aid
if
and melee is all you really need.
If anything, the spyglass is worse than the would have more use than the Derringer.
CG, do we have? I'm gonna have to ask you to tell this man what I did with that Derringer in your little gunfight.
Again, if you can get a kill with the Derringer, you could have got a kill with your other weapon.
You're right. I could have if I actually had another weapon on.
The Derringer again?
The Derringer's the fucking pocket rocket.
You've gotten a few kills with pocket rocket, I think.
Yeah, remember the docks incident, whenever those two, that guy tried to get his buddy from the fire and flames and got nailed with a pocket rocket?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Again, you could have got a kill with any other weapon if you actually had one.
You're right,
Jesus
it wasn't
Christ,
memeing, and
so
actually, you know, we actually got we actually got the bounty and escaped with it. So, you talk shit about the pocket rocket, you talking shit about one of the top tier weapons players. Cause like, it's literally just the definition of it's definition of close quarters last resort. Or memeing.
How dare you, game? I wanted to heal before touching this thing.
I'm sorry, I will say the bomb lance has more use than this fucking crossbow.
Yeah, the bomb lance does have better use than that stupid little pistol.
No, because at least that stupid little pistol is useful.
The bomb lance can stagger the boss as well as kill the boss quicker than that pistol could.
You're right, but at least the pocket rocket down here can get an instant kill pretty frequently.
Same with the bomb lance.
You're right, but nothing's gonna stop the pocket rocket from getting an instant kill.
Yeah, nothing's gonna stop the bomb lance
all
either.
It takes is somebody with bulwark. All it takes is somebody with bulwark to stop your little pocket bomb lance.
Instant kill melee. Instant kill.
You're right.
Stick.
Instant kill shotgun bait.
Instant kill anything with the bomb lance besides on a boss.
I'm just saying that bomb lance is melee. It's not as reliable as you may say. Melee in general is not as reliable.
Melee is king if you know how to use it right.
Melee. I'm only gonna say melee is king if you're using a sword.
Bomb lance has bigger range on the sword.
The sword pokes forward, which means it gets more distance.
Again, if you need anything in a range, you can just shoot. If anything's close enough, you can melee.
Again, 4 shot. It's a meme weapon.
Was this where that jump was? Yeah, I think it was like over here. No, it wasn't here. Well, was it? No. Where was that jump, actually? Was it after? I could just throw a slug at them. That's pretty funny. The fact that my range is literally chuck a slug.
What the fuck did I find?
Eat the slug. Oh. I can insta-kill a slug with a slug.
Okay, that's a good question, actually. All right. So, if a child if a child is refusing to accept nap time, does that mean they are resisting arrest?
Yes.
I swear, dude.
Slightly increased maximum HP. Yo, that's nice, actually.
What?
I got a relic that increases my HP.
Oh, nice.
I know,
That's gonna
right?
be useful, like, 2% of the time.
I know, right?
Welcome to Metroidvania games. They don't not help. That extra health does not help.
Revered by the people, this woman came to be known as the White Priestess. Hey, isn't that Lily, the chick that is literally all white with white hair, pale skin, and a white dress? Oh god, it's a crow. Take the slug! The slug missed! The Beyblade can knock a bird out of the air. That's kind of funny. Oh no. Oh, that's cool. Where is this gonna take me? You don't say it was once a village. What is that? 5. Ah! Things are hurting now. I don't like it. Oh no, the dogs. Can I get up here? No. I guess I can't do that. Oh, whoa, what's down here, actually?
Easy, you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Alright, good. Because we're gonna get killed because I'm bringing a crossbow.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm bringing this thing for its one and only fucking use in the entire damn game, is to kill bosses silently.
If you want to kill a boss silently, just get any melee you can find by the boss lair.
Oh yeah, tell that to fucking Scrapbeak.
Yeah. Tell that to Scrapbeak, actually.
We click on Scrapbeak and take the stuff off his bag. Oh, you can actually do that, but...
I mean, you
That would be
can.
great if you... Wait, you can't actually sneak up on them and take stuff, or just that you can just take it?
Yeah, you just sneak up behind him, slap him with a fucking hammer on his back, and it'll drop stuff. It'll drop some of the stuff.
Oh, I was
Yeah.
talking like Skyrim pickpocketing. You just sneak up and...
Yeah, it is
Grab it.
pickpocketing. It's forcibly pickpocketing his ass.
I'm just
No, I
gonna
mean like,
run.
he doesn't even know you're there. You just walk up, grab...
Yeah, he does it because you give him a fucking back. You give him a back of the head concussion.
Dude, all you gotta do is give Scrapbeak a back massage.
Yeah, with a hammer.
Oh, crap. Take the slug!
You need to do something fast. Look. Look.
I don't want to go there just yet. It's on the roof!
I was not even gonna say this shit because you're recording at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait till you're not recording to tell you about the shit that I just found. But yeah.
You found not safe for work material, didn't you?
Yep.
Like,
Oh,
why are you
plus-
going for that one? There's one way closer.
Yeah, no, you see my brain sense it sets that bird token right there, and I just said, I gotta do that. Oh yeah, CG. You know how we've had Scrapbeak every time we play, as one of the bosses to go after.
Yeah.
Well, he won't. He'll no longer be that. It'll no longer be that way.
That's a fat man!
Yeah, he's an event boss.
No, he'll still be a boss that can happen. He just won't be constant.
This fat man hits hard.
Yeah, Scrap Boy over here, fucking Big Bird.
Oh, but you got a slug man.
Oh, we do? Cool. I'm gonna go slap
Oh, wait,
him
that's not a
with
slug man, that's a barbed wire man. I just saw shiny and I assumed bug. What if I punch him? Why is he bleeding? That was a dumb idea now I think about it.
He's how did that turn out for you? Behind you.
Okay, I guess I can't do that. Oh, that's mean. That's mean. Put a knight behind an archer. That's such a mean thing to do.
PG, 1, 2, 3, fuck you combo.
Hey, what's this?
Where? Oh.
Stagnant?
Give me
light?
your 1, 2, 3.
Oh, enhanced skills. That's nice.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh, I could have so shot him with a crossbow from here.
Yo, Mega, I feel like you would like this game because it has nice music.
Okay, is it Toho tier?
You already know the answer to that.
Wait, hold on.
Nah, that's what I thought.
It,
If it ain't Toho,
it's calming, okay? It's calming.
Yeah, I'm kind of like watching the stream like in the background. The music is very nice.
like if it ain't Toho tier, it ain't top.
Like there is other tiers of like, I guess good. I guess.
Yeah, it'd probably be okay tier if anything.
Now I myself haven't actually played.
The famine's gonna kill me!
Much Toho aside from.
Oh wait, no, I
I
got
think the only
you.
Toho I've played is that one side scroller they put on the Xbox Game Pass. Yeah, that's the only Toho I've played. Now I think about it.
Look, that's one of the fun ones. All right.
And I don't really remember the music from it, but I don't think that's because I had any of the memorable music that y'all like.
Just take the slug. God dang it.
Headshot. Better at headshotting and shooting zombies. I guess the zombies just fucking lounge around.
Is this even the right way to go? It's been a while since I found a goddamn restaurant.
Oh, yeah. So, Shira, you wanna know another reason why I say the crossbow is unreliable as shit?
Because I'm good with it.
No. Like, even more unreliable than that, because its melee is hella slow as shit.
What? If it's in melee range, I'm still gonna shoot it, to be honest.
What if you have to reload it? You're gonna try and melee first.
I swapped to a suppressed pistol?
Was that you, dickhead?
That was me. I
Dang.
didn't even hit you, you fuck.
Wait, I need an
No, but you fired a
ancient
gun
soul?
near me.
Wait. It said...
I purposely fired it to the right so it wouldn't hit you.
Oh, stagnant souls
Dude,
for
but
everything
there's
else.
other people that can be shooting at me. I kind of like to know
Ancient for
kind of like to be aware. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna make the Beyblade even better. Whoa, that's... Wait, did I see that right? Holy crap. Mega. 10 stagnant souls to level up to
That
level
was
2,
weird.
but then you need 30 for level 3. Jeez, that's a lot.
I'd have laughed if I got a hit marker with that. Imagine just being some random, unsuspecting player.
Yeah.
CG.
What?
This poor bastard.
Wait, this swimming?
You didn't hear it because I kind of nailed him in the chest, but
Just make sure they're dead, you know, not, you know, not just, you know.
imagine being some
okay.
poor, unsuspecting bastard getting just fucking nailed by a crossbow.
Jeez, that guy has range.
Shiro, I kind of clapped somebody with the crossbow.
It's amazing, don't you agree?
No, because I actually had to nail him in the head.
I hate this already. I got 2 birds and a fat man blocking my path.
Where's Scrap B at? Hey, Scrap Bitch is over here. Let's go. Fuck you, birds. Nobody loved you.
Why do you have to insult the birds like that?
Because they're my fucking dinner in a forest. So you think I'm gonna give them a compliment out here?
Yeah.
Don't you even say that. The birds are great.
Yep.
Boy.
A bird's my fucking dinner. Alright? I do appreciate myself some fucking chicken.
Chicken
That's
sounds
different.
great.
Also, get your brass knuckles out, by the way.
Fuck you. Fuck
You might be wondering how I knew that was coming.
You turned around and saw him.
No, I heard him under the bridge. Alright, now I'm gonna hopefully walk up here and get a gun that's shitty ass. Like, ignoring the fact that I may have one-tapped that man earlier, ignore that. Because, like, we are getting into actual, like, PvP territory, and I don't think the crossbow's gonna be good for that.
Worrying about needing good, a good killing weapon. Why would you bring a crossbow?
Crossbow?
with you.
Oh,
Crossbow
simple, because I don't trust this. You don't know how little I trust this thing for PvP? You don't know how little I trust this thing for PvP? I actually brought on a gaunt officer just because I don't trust that thing for PvP.
It's in here.
Like, I brought an actual reliable gun.
Just a
Hey,
single.
don't do that. Don't
What
do
is
that.
it?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Get down.
Yeah, this
Why,
is just 1
75%
bird.
done?
If you got nailed in the head right there, I'd have laughed.
They don't know we're here, as far as I can tell.
They don't, but they know we're coming.
I just got clapped by a bird.
Them
I got clapped by a bird?